Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is softlife.com and welcome. So I know how difficult it is for people to strike a pose when it is time to take pictures, and then you wonder, how do models even do these things? Well, in this video, I have put together some tips and tricks on how to pose better for pictures. If this sounds like something you're going to be interested in, please go ahead and click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, and go ahead to click the like button. Okay, I'm going to try to run through these tips as quickly as possible, and then I'm also going to attempt doing a demonstration, or I'm just going to include some illustration photos for you to better understand. So when I have to post people for pictures, the first thing that I like to do is to tell them to square their shoulders. And how do you do this? You just open it up a little more, not like you're trying to act so proud, no. But slouching has this negative effect on your pictures. So chest out and square the shoulders, so this looks more better. And you can also do this by engaging your core. Engaging your core has a way of building up the pose from underneath and upward. So what you have to do first of all is to engage your core, square your shoulders, and that is chest out. Next thing you want to do for you to look better in pictures, you've got limbs, your hands and your legs. So what you have to do is to separate them from your body, like so. If you do something like this, if you squish your arms and legs close to your body, it appears more bigger, and the word we dread, fatter. So what you have to do is to separate them a bit from your body to create an angle and to create a slimmer look. So pay attention to your arms, pay attention to your legs. Whatever part of your body that you get squished is gonna end up looking fatter and bigger. So separate them from your body to get a better look. So next is create curves, create angles. This is one of my favorite. So for people who want to do a pose standing, it's always advisable to create angles, create curves with your body. Whether you're a curvy type or you're not a curvy type, you can actually create fake curves. All you have to do is to stand and rest your weight on one leg and push your hip to the side, and then it gives you a curve. Also, you have to pay attention to the angle towards which you face your camera. It is always advisable to do a 45 degrees angle. I don't like to face the camera flat face on. It's not my favorite. I like to slightly angle my body away from the camera to give off better angles and better, features. So even for sitting down poses, when you're trying to do something like do pose on the floor or at the beach or something, try not to squish the legs. If you squish them, they become fatter unless you're trying to show off fatter or bigger legs. Another thing you can also do while sitting down on the floor, on the curb, on the table, on the chair, or a staircase, what you should do is to create angles with your legs. Creating angles with your legs looks like this. Creating angles with your arms looks like this. So do this and you're going to appear super cool in your pictures. Standing poses, just like I mentioned earlier, it's always advisable to turn your body 45 degrees angled away from your camera. Now rest your weight on one leg. This gives you an automatic overnight curve. Now once you've done that, put one foot in front of the other. Voila! So we're gonna put this together at some point and to just see what it looks like. Now another trick that I like to use, when you rest your weight on one leg, push your hip backward and you create even a rounder curve. Come on guys, isn't this amazing? Okay, so push your hip backward and rest your weight on one leg, and voila, you've got a supermodel pose. Now this may sound as though it's not really important, but it's super important to pay attention to the kind of outfit you're wearing. Your outfit goes a long way in helping your poses. If you wear clothes that are badly suited to your body type, then your poses are not really gonna come out great. So you have to dress according to your body type and also the pattern of your outfit. So naturally, when you wear outfits that has horizontal lines, you appear larger or wider or fatter. But if you wear outfit that has vertical lines, then you appear taller. So if you're bigger up or smaller down, you know what to do to make the other parts appear smaller or bigger. Next is pay attention to light. Direction of light is super important. Follow the light for your pictures, follow the light for your selfies, follow the light when you're posing for pictures. Unless you're going for something different, then that's okay. But majorly, if you want to get a flattery look, then you have to follow the light. Allow the light to cast on your body to give you a flattery look. So another tip you need to know is facial expressions. I mentioned this in my previous video. Learn facial expressions, learn your angles, best features. How do you look in cameras? What is your best look? How much confidence do you have in a particular look when you take pictures? Try several options and see what looks great on camera. In other words, learn your best angles, learn your best features, and push them forward when taking pictures. And here is another tip for people who are full of glory, who are kind of robust and chubby and plumpy and they look so cute and cuddly. This tip really works well for them, and even if you're not, this also still works well. And this posing tip is great for the upper part of your body, which is your head and your neck majorly, and your shoulders as well. Now, for people who are on the bigger side, some of them tend to show off their double chin or a short neck when taking pictures, and this can be remedied. All you have to do is to know how to position your head and shoulders and neck, and then you're good to go. For example, here's what you should do rather than posing like this. Bring your ears forward. I wonder how people would think, hey, how am I supposed to bring my ear forward? What this basically means, just bring your head forward like you're trying to extend your head towards the camera. So this gives you more room for your neck to appear longer. It looks weird on the side, but it does appear great looking forward or facing the front. So bring your head forward, then bring your chin downward a bit, yes, and then we go. This is a model look. This is a model look. So this gets rid of the double chin and gets rid of the short neck effect, and thereby giving you a longer neck and a perfect look. Now here's another tip that I like to do. I use this one a lot for my pictures. I like to relax my lips. Some people get so nervous, some people do not know what to do with their bodies when you're posing for pictures. How about relaxing your lip? So you leave your mouth slightly open, letting your lip drop as low as it can. Not like there's a weight on there anyway. So this is what relaxing your lips look like. Another thing you'd like to pay attention is the position of your head when taking pictures. Well, you're not, unless you're going for a passport photo shoot, there is no reason why you should just keep your hair straight on. Wow, no, it's not a mug shot. Even mug shot gets to do some, do this and all that. So what I like to do is to tilt my head a little to the side, a little to the left, a little to the right, a little bit up, a little bit down. So depending on the kind of angle that I'm working with, I just do some micro adjustments till I get the perfect look that I want. And now to wrap up this session, I'm just gonna say, you have to love your body. You cannot get good pictures if you do not love your body, if you're not confident in your body type. So express yourself in the best way you can. Learn your body type, learn what works for you, learn your best features, learn your best angles. Everyone has the best angle. So once you learn that, keep projecting that part. And then how can you learn this? Go on a date with your mirror, stand in front of the mirror regularly and keep turning, twisting and doing some different poses, just learning about your bodies and what looks best or looks great in camera. So once you have learned these things, it is easier for you to pose. So this goes a long way to help you in posing for the future. So whenever you want to take a picture, you really do not have to stress your head or think too far to know what to do. Just because you already know your best features, you already know your best angles. I have my go-to poses, I have my go-to expressions. So I leverage on those when I need to take a selfie or I need to take a picture. And then for me to learn more, I keep practicing and practicing and practicing. So no one knows it all. So what you have to do is to keep practicing and you will get better. And now an extra tip, take a lot of pictures. No one gets it right the first time. So take lots of pictures so you would have more options to choose from. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And go ahead to share them with your friends and family if you like. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.